Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your science teacher Miss Saba Kirn from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are enjoying good health. Let's start our today's lesson. Dear students, topic of the day is musical instruments. Do you like music? I like music. Do you know what is music? Okay, let me tell you. When musical instruments make pleasant sounds called music. Do you know what is pleasant sound? Sound that feel you happy is called pleasant sound. Do you know we can also play many games with music, like we can play musical chair game. Do you ever play musical chair game? Like I played this game in my childhood. Even I play this game with my friends and colleagues now because I like this game. Think about which type of games you can play with music. Like in this picture, you can see many musical instruments. Now tell me, what musical instruments can you name? Like I can see drum in this picture, guitar, violin, maracas. Yes, trumpet and accordion also. Do you know what type of sound does it produce? Let's learn with me. What type of sound does it produce? Are you ready? So let's start. Wow, what's this? Any guess? Everybody knows it. Yes, this is drum. Can you see the drum in this picture? Guess, what is the color of drum? Yes, it is red. Dear students, do you know how we can play it? We can play it by hitting it. Now let's hear the sound of drum carefully and guess it produces high pitch sound or low pitch sound. Do you listen its sound? Now guess it produces high pitch sound or low pitch sound. Yes, it produces low pitch sound. Next musical instrument is flute. Repeat with me. Flute. Dear students, look at the picture of flute. What you can see? Like I can see some holes in this picture. There are some holes in this flute. Dear students, think what is the purpose of these holes in the flute and how we can play it. Okay, let me tell you. We can change the pitch by covering different holes in the flute with our fingers. Look at this picture. In this picture, you can see the girl is playing flute by covering different holes with her finger. When we play flute, it produces a sound like this. Dear students, now please tell me, it produces high pitch sound or low pitch sound? Yes, it produces high pitch sound. But at the same time, it produces low pitch sound also, because by covering different holes, we can produce high or low pitch sound. Dear students, now look at this picture and guess, what is this? Yes, this is guitar. Repeat with me. This is guitar. Do you like to play guitar? I like to play it. In my childhood, I played it, but not real one, a toy guitar. Dear students, guitar is a string instrument which is played by plucking the strings, as you can see in this picture. And like flute, we can produce high or low pitch sound by playing guitar. So let's hear the sound of guitar with me. What do you think? It produces high pitch sound, low pitch sound, or both high and low pitch sound? Yes, it produces high and low pitch sound. Next musical instrument is, any guess? Yes, this is maracas. Repeat with me. This is maracas. It is an instrument usually played in pairs, one in each hand, by holding it from the edge. Do you know how we can play maracas? Let me tell you. We can play it by shaking it. Dear students, now think, what type of sound does it produce when we shake it? Okay, let's hear the sound of maracas with me. Dear students, do you hear it sound? Now tell me, what type of sound does it produce? High pitch sound or low pitch sound? Yes, it produces high pitch sound. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is Piccolo. Repeat with me. This is Piccolo. There is one hole in Piccolo. Can you see in this picture? Do you know how we can play Piccolo? Let me tell you. We can play Piccolo by blowing it. Do you want to hear it sound? Okay, let's hear with me the sound of Piccolo. It produces sound like. Do you hear it sound? Okay, now tell me. It produces high pitch sound or low pitch sound? Yes, it produces high pitch sound. And the name of this instrument is Piccolo. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is cello. Repeat with me. This is cello. It looks like a guitar, but it is cello. Do you know how we can play cello? We can play cello by plucking or bowing it. Dear students, now think, if we pluck or bow it, what type of sound does it produce? It produces sound like. It produces high pitch sound or low pitch sound. Any guess? Yes, it produces low pitch sound. Dear students, now we will learn how musical instrument produce a sound and what type of sound does it produce. For example, drum. We can play drum when we hit it and it produces low pitch sound. We can play maracas by shaking it and it produces high pitch sound. We can play piccolo by blowing it and it also produces high pitch sound. And we can play cello by plucking or bow it, and it produces low pitch sound. Dear students, now we will do an activity. In this activity, we will produce musical sound with some balls. Are you ready? So let's start an activity. For this activity, take 6 to 8 balls, tumblers, or you can also take glasses. Now, fill them with water up to different levels, increasing gradually from one end to the other, as you can see in this picture. Now, take a pencil and strike the balls gently, as you can see in this picture. Dear students, now take a pencil and strike the first one ball gently, and it produces a sound like. Now strike the second one ball, strike the third one ball, fourth one ball, fifth one ball, and now strike the last one ball gently. Dear students, now take a pencil and strike all the balls, and it produces a musical sound like. Dear students, do you know we can make musical instruments also? And today we will make spin drums. Can you see spin drums in this picture? Are you ready to make it? So let's make with me. To make spin drum, we need hard chart or paper, paper stick, ribbon, beads and glue stick. Dear students, first of all, cut the chart or paper in circle. Take a stick and join this with circle, as you can see in this picture. Now make a hole on each sides of circle and tie the thread or ribbon with bead, as you can see in this picture. Look at this, our spin drum is ready. You can also draw anything or do coloring on this spin drum. Now you can make some music. Dear students, today we have learnt about some musical instruments, their names, how we can play them, and what type of sound do they produce. Like some instruments produce high pitch sound and some produce low pitch sound, and some instruments produce high and low pitch sound both. We also do an activity that how we can produce musical sound by using balls or glasses, and in the last we learn how to make a spin drum. I hope you will learn and practice these two activities at home. I will wait for your feedback. Thank you.